Good day for you all, tutor and partners. We are doing here task 3, writing through I.C.T. When we found out about mobile learning, classroom microblocks, and digital gaming. Well, about mobile learning, currently technology in classroom has included the implementation of mobile devices to support the teaching and learning processes. This is because it's nowadays that with all the technology advance, we could do it. We could access to the mobile assisted language learning, and that's about learning takes place anywhere and anytime because we have our phone or mobile any place and anytime. About classroom microblocks. Microblocking consists of short, concise words of writing, whether for social or academic purposes, and differs from blocks. That's in a computer, or maybe in your phone too. You could download your blocks in your phone and keep improving and keep doing things in your phone to your blocks. Last, we have the digital gaming, where many researchers have found that through the majority of the games our students play, their practices complex thinking, problem solving, strategizing, investigating, and understanding rules and codes of simulated worlds. And all of that things, also you could do it on your daily life, not only on the digital gaming. So all things you use to the gaming, you could use it on your daily life. So that will be it. We don't have any more time. Thank you for hearing me.